Hello everyone, welcome to my Excel tutorial today. So today I would like to introduce to you about how to clean data, especially data name that have some character that you don't expect. So here you see we have all the name list of company here, and all the name follows by the words unadjusted price. So now I will introduce to you how to remove unadjusted price followed by all the names here. The first thing is we need to um, remove the row with error here. So we choose the column, we choose file and select. We choose file, we tap file error, we click file all. We click Control A to choose all the row with error. Click close and we choose delete this row. Okay, now we have all the name without error rows here. So now I will introduce to you how to remove them. We will use the formula len. Formula len return the number of characters in a cell. For example, we use cell A2, enter. So you see, cell A2 we have 34 characters. You see, if you scroll down, it will return the number of characters of Excel. Okay, so next we will use the formula right. A2. So now we want to return the number of characters from the right to left. So you see, the words unadjusted price we have one from the right to the left. We have the number of characters is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now for much easier, we will click here to see. We have from the right to left, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Include space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we will remove all the character from the right to the left. We have 19 character. and we will use the formula right. We choose the cell we want to return and the number of characters from the right to left. Excel will understand that you want to count the number of characters for a cell from the right to left. Enter. And here you see, for cell A2 from the right to left with number of characters is 19, we have an adjusted price. Yeah. And the next, now we will scroll down to see every cell we will have the same result. So the next, we will use the formula left. We click A2. It means that we will count from the left to the right, and we will combine with the formula len before we have used the len A2, and we minus the number of characters we need to remove, 19. So Excel will understand that you want to, when you combine the formula left and len, Excel will understand that you want to return the number of characters from the left to the right, and when we combine with the formula len here, then Excel will return the number of characters in the cell you want, and you use minus the number of characters you want to remove here, an adjusted price, and we click enter. So you see now you have the name without the word unadjusted price you want, and you can scroll down. Yeah, you see all the names of the companies in the list have been removed from the word unadjusted price followed by the name. So, thank you for watching my video. See you next Excel tutorial.